Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. So today's video I will show you beautiful room decorations. So I hope you will like this video. So let's start the video without wasting time. To waste the time. So let's start the video. And if you like this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. So let's start the video. So you can see this, the first picture you can see me, I show this second picture, you can see the beautiful picture. This also you can see for makeup and all, girls makeup, beautiful makeup and all, very good makeups and good looking, very beautiful looking. And you can see the lights and all, decoration is very beautiful. So you can see this one also with the white color theme, full white color theme, very beautiful, very beautiful. You can see this one also very beautiful, the back design, very beautiful design, looking very attractive, very beautiful, the roof and the wall. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the lamp and the white color theme and the flower. You can see the wall, you can see decoration, very beautiful decoration, looking very good also. And you can see this one also for girls makeup, looking beautiful decoration, but it is normal, but it is good for the girls only, not for us. For us we need VIP room, then only good. So you can see this one also very beautiful in pink color, bean color, very good, very expensive. This one also very beautiful, and this one also very beautiful. You can see the decoration, the wall decoration, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bed, the white color, and the side you can see beautiful. This one, yes, the leaves, very beautiful leaves. It's also very beautiful in black color theme, very looking beautiful. And the mirror, you can, maybe it is mirror or frame, oh sorry, it is shut, handling they are shut, beautiful, very beautiful. It is very beautiful, brothers and sisters. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So you can see this one also very beautiful, black color and white color, beautiful. The floor is in black color and up everything is in white color, very beautiful, very beautiful. So you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the down mat, very beautiful mat. It is like a grass, very beautiful, very expensive. So you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the mirror and the side, you can see the small plants and the cupboards, you can see the small door, you can see the white color wall, you can see beautiful walls and all, very good, very expensive. And the ever picture I like, you can see this one, the lamp, you can see the up cupboards, you can see everything very beautiful cupboards and all. And you can see the bed, very beautiful, you can see the wall, very beautiful, you can see the everything is very beautiful in white color and black color, looking very expensive also. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, no sorry, it is not mirror, it is a window means you can see outside of the room, house, sorry, the white color and the wooden black color. So this one also very beautiful. This is LED, no sorry, this is not LED, this is LED only. Yeah, you can see the side lights and the up, you can see black color theme, in a black color theme. It's very beautiful, brothers and sisters. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the white color theme, everything is in white color. The window you can see outside, and you can see the bed, very well sleep, beautiful bed. The up you can see fan and the wall and the decoration, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the all very beautiful. So if you guys like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So I hope you like this video, so share with your friends and families and all. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, love you all, wait for the tomorrow's video, very VIP room I will bring. Thank you.